Well, hello. Here to show you the chocolate count, and chocolate count, as in for for the Easter activity, is like the Easter bunny, as you have it to where it's like so far as you say is how many jelly beans does it take to fill say a jar, as you got it right here. You got the jar right here, and so far it's the best guess for 210. And of course, it's like this. So far, you get the number of Easter baskets. You got about you got 10 Easter baskets, and then after that, and then it's like you have it to where so far with the chocolate count is known. The fact about is like you so far with the number of counts is that you get the Easter basket right here. You guys like you so far with blue is like your one could be say called. It's like you got blue right here, and then you got a little bit of blue right there, and then so far with the different colors, you say of the Easter eggs, and then so far with chocolate count, is that so far it gets harder, it gets easier, it starts I would say is easier, and then it gets harder, or it could be harder and then get even more harder. But if we ever counted so far the amount of Easter eggs, or you say, or jelly beans, you say, is it take to fill a jar. And it's like best the answer is so far is to look at this is this little decimal fraction, and this little mathematical is the mathematical activity group I went ahead and drew right here, and drew and cut for a shape of an egg. You got group 1 and 2 and group 3 and 4, and you got the different counts, number of counts it is. So far with 210, you guys I got different slices. So far number 10, and then along with 2 for equal. So far as how many that goes into one group, and then you got right here the group 3 is like you got 3 right here, and equal to the group 3 is a number of jelly beans. It is for their part of the group or whatever it is. But so far, if you were to count the number of jelly beans, it is for a group is to be able to fill up say fill up a jar. They fill up a jar with jelly beans. Of course, since I don't have say 210 jelly beans to work with, you got right here is the cup. You got the cup right here. It's like you say with the cup that say if you were to say place a say colored marker right there, you got the colored marker right there. It's like so far with knowing about working with the color dye. But so far with chocolate count, as you have it to where you say this, if you want to color a little bit of the bunny right here, is just to add a little bit of outline to the bunny. Is like if we all know about chocolate bunny, just to add a little bit of a chocolate detail right here and underneath around the tail. And then of course it's like underneath say the paws, is like you get to have it to where the hip hop paws, and but it's like go say so far with chocolate count is knowing that if you were to go hiking in it's like in the yard for the Easter eggs, you get the horse right here. It's like it could be a horse, or it could be kangaroo, whatever type of animal. So farm animal. You get the chocolate so far chocolate count is to highlight that part of this in blue right here. You got the yard detail right here. But you got the number of Easter baskets, and then that goes right here is at so far as at the yard, or about right here. You get the yard right here, and then after that, and then you get the number of say Easter. You get the Easter eggs right here. You get the football. It's like the football is like you have it to where that if you were to hide the Easter egg, hide it about like that in the backyard, or if you want to hide it like a position like that, or if you want to maybe hide it in a horizontal type direction. But you got the Easter egg right here. It's like so far with 200 count, 210, is that you get to have it to where you get the the Easter, like you get the Easter egg right here. Let's say so far with is with the 10. You got the 10 right here, and along right here is you got a dime. You got a dime, and then along right here, so far with how many Easter eggs it will take to fill up a jar, or it could be jelly beans. More likely, I would probably say it would probably be about maybe 10 eggs, and then 210 jelly beans. It's like if we all got that, but you get the yard right here. But so you have a yard going for an Easter egg hunt. But otherwise than that, you got this little mathematical fraction right here so far is with the Easter eggs, and then along right here is you got the the Easter is the little ducky. You got the little ducky right there. You got the little ducky. It's like in the backyard swimming. But you got the rubber ducky right there. I don't even know if it squeals. But other than that, is that you got the right here is you got the Easter bunny, and then add a little bit of blue. Like blue is like for the smile. So far as the knowing about the different groups that to get in. So far as to know about so far going for an Easter egg hunt, and so far with how many Easter eggs it would take is that so far with 210. It's like you can count, like you can count on it. You can count on it, as a group. So far with chocolate count, and then along with the Easter bunny, and so far chocolate count, an Easter activity.